Hi. Say hi, Rylie.
Hi.
What's this?
Sure.
It's a truck. It is a Melissa and Doug truck. It's a shape sorting dump truck. It's got 2 people in the front. And in the truck is a bunch of shapes that we can open up and take them all out. All right, we have a rectangle. We have a green pentagon. Oh, let's see.
There. There.
I don't think that's it. How about on this side? What about that one?
Oh no.
Yes, this one. Right here.
Oh.
There you go. All right, what else do we have? We have a blue diamond. We have a brown square. We have a white hexagon. A yellow star. A red triangle. And a purple oval. All right, let's see what Rylie can do.
There.
Where's the star, Rylie? Look, do you see a star? Good job. Put it in. Wow, you did it. How about a red triangle?
There.
Where's the triangle go?
Ew.
Let's find it. Where's the triangle? Do you see the triangle?
Yeah.
Yes, good job. Put it in there.
There.
Oh, almost. You almost had it. Like this. Bye-bye, triangle. How about this one? It's white. Nope, not on that side. We always love the Melissa and Doug toys because they are wooden, so they last. Nope. What color is that, Rylie? Rylie, what color is this?
Ooh.
Good girl, that is blue. Do you see a diamond? A diamond? Make it fit, honey. You gotta turn it a little bit, like this. Like that. Put it in there. Good job, honey.
Brown.
That's black. Nope. Let me see. Let me see. What is this one? Oh, wow.
Brown.
That's a parallelogram, honey. It's black. Turn it around. There you go. Yay! How about this one? Look. Do you know what color that is?
Purple.
It is purple. Wow. Good job, honey.
Yeah.
I think it goes on this side.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Ooh, what color is this?
Brown.
No, orange.
Okay. Orange. Here.
Nope. Let's try this side.
Here.
Yes. All right. What color is this?
Brown.
That is brown. That's a square. Where's the square?
You know.
I see it. I see it. Rylie, say, I did it.
Again.
Look, now you can open it. Whoop, and it dumps out because it's a dump truck. Did you see the little people, Rylie? Rylie, look at the drivers.
Wow, pretty.
They are pretty. Is there another one? How many?
This.
Can you count? How many?
This.
1. How many?
This.
Say 1, 2. Rylie, do you like this toy?
Oh, yeah.
You do? Do you want to put the shapes back in it? Do you want to play again? Oh, we're going that way. Okay. Riley's gonna clean up. Good job. Uh-oh, there's still more. Clean up. All right, so we found this toy on Amazon.
More.
And like I said, we like these nice sturdy wooden toys. This is the shape sorting dump truck. Thank you for watching. If you don't subscribe yet, please do. We would love to provide more reviews. If you have a toy that you would like to have reviewed before you purchase, let us know. All done. Are we all cleaned up? Riley, can you go like this? Yeah, thumbs up. We like this.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Riley, can you say bye?
Bye.
Wave. Bye.